Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, this video is a remake of the video I put up earlier about Blackman. You know, Blackman is in court right now. He's going there tomorrow on Monday. And there's a report out that he cannot afford an attorney. This leads me to give him 2 crowns. He is the king of broke badness and the king of hungry badness. And that's what I'm talking about. Now, the first video I put up, it had a different name. This one is going to name Hungry Badness, Blackman Klansman, the king of hungry badness. And yeah, so it's a lucky thing. The first video I put up was scratchy and people couldn't, you know, there were certain things in it when I uploaded. The file lost compression. But on the screen in front of you, you will see a couple little excerpts from the article that's out today. And it says that lawyers, they notify the courts that they don't want to deal with Mr. Blackman's case because of the monetary system, the money they're getting to pay. Now, it's also said that I think legal aid, don't quote me on that, might be taking up his case. The lawyers then had problems with Euchin's Wilson, so that's why they decided that they're not going to do this. Now, there might be an underlying factor, the fear factor, because you know this guy is one of the most serious person on the planet right now. Man like him should have died in Iraq or Syria. As a matter of fact, Afghanistan them should have died. Them should have rolled with the Taliban then. You see what I'm saying? With the kind of violence they're producing. But anyways, the difference is the Taliban them have lots of money and people back them. Because there's no way they could be in that country if the people them didn't back them on people with money. So, as we move along, I have come to my agreement in my mind and my consciousness that Blackman is the king of broke badness and the king of hungry badness. Now, maybe I might be a little bit too Jurassic, but I remember being a bad man, you have to have money. And that's how you protect yourself. Not being a bad man and then let everybody fear you and kill them for the money. What do you think is going to happen to you? This brings me to another video that I did, but I haven't released it yet, about curly locks because I'm trying to get the picture. Now, I respect curly locks them and mass up on them man because they would go and rob a bank and come back in the ghetto and defend the ghetto from certain corruption government official or corrupted government official. So it's 2 different kind of bad man, even though they were just as heinous in a lot of respect. But in a lot of aspects, they were different and had more class and had more smarts in dealing with badness. Like Curly Locks was a guy who him lick down, who him lick out him, I kill him. So it wasn't even one of his friends. You see what I'm saying? And them guys would defend them thing with the police and then they would jump in on them, on them bike and go look their money. You have to respect their man there. Can't respect the man them when I have no money, them out there do a bag of things and have no money. If I was in Blackman situation, I would have feel like me would need to kill myself because there is no way me to charge for all of them things there and other things and have no money. Now, maybe I'm wrong, but let me know. This is my take. My name is Countryman. Like, share, subscribe, check out the WhatsApp group. And anybody who have any stories to give, we're going to do that on the low. Do not post confidential information you're going to give me in that group. This is how we work, with secrecy. You understand? Now, like I said, this is a remake, and I hope you guys like this take better than the first take. Peace out, Countryman. Love y'all. Silent, big up yourself. Country boss, big up yourself.